Today marks the end of an era and the start of a new one. Fort Bragg will officially be renamed Fort Liberty. Dropping the historic Confederate namesake is part of the Post rebranding. WRL's Naya Hardin joins us live on Post this morning, where those shiny new signs are already in place. Naya?
Yeah, you can see it as you're driving this way to head to what we used to call Fort Bragg. Let me step out of the way to show you what I'm talking about here. You can see the big sign, a nice big font. Fort Bragg will officially become Fort Liberty this morning at a ceremony. Lieutenant General Chris Donahue, Fort Bragg's commanding general, is going to be the guest speaker. Once the uncasing of the Fort Liberty colors is done, signifying the redesignation to Fort Liberty, it will become official. The change comes from the Department of Defense initiative after the 2020 George Floyd protest to rename military installations with the name of Confederate soldiers. According to a commission report, the changes will cost Fort Bragg more than $6 million. During the first march under the new installation name, the garrison commander explained the importance of Fort Liberty.
We found a name that is honorable. We've picked it in a way that was inclusive of the community and really does represent the values that were already part of our ethos. And so being able to codify it in an event like this, being able to walk shoulder to shoulder with Gold Star mothers, people who have given everything, given their sons for the cause of liberty.
And WRAL's Gilbert Bays is going to be at the ceremony this morning. We will be streaming that live for you on the WRAL News app. Naya Hardin, WRAL News at what is going to be Fort Liberty.